Hello friends, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can earn 24 lakh rupees of retirement pension without paying any taxes. So basically I am going to talk about retirement planning with zero income tax. So if you're a person who are NRI who want to settle down in India, or you are an Indian citizen, Indian resident who are either planning to retire or in couple of years they will retire, please watch this video, because in this video I will tell you how you can plan that you can get 2 lakh rupees income per month or 24 lakh rupees per year, and you don't have to pay any taxes. So that's the concept of today's video. Let's begin. So hello friend, my name is C. Arun Tiwari. Before I go ahead, let me thank you for a lot of support I am receiving now with my videos. And at the same time, see, my approach is to provide a practical solution for all the problems we are facing, instead of criticizing government, criticizing other people, and creating some sensational nonsense kind of content. So if you like my approach, please subscribe, please share with other people who are really stuck with the a kind of taxpayer of India without any, you can say, thanks from anywhere, any counter or any quarter of the country. So if you really like my approach, please subscribe and share. So let's begin the topic, that how we can create a retirement plan where we can get 2 lakh rupees every month without paying any taxes. So it's very simple. The first is, if you and your spouse are there, then you can split your income into half over the year. Suppose both are earning, that's fine. If both are not earning, still you can give some money to your wife slowly so that she can also build her portfolio. In some cases, most of cases, if your spouse is not working, so generally people give some kind of expenses to support them, to support the house, and if they're saving anything from them, it cannot be taxable in your hand. So this way, basically, if you plan in advance, you can create your retirement plan in this way, that 50% of income comes from your PAN card and 50% comes from your spouse. So this way we can divide the 24 lakh rupees of income, 12 lakh rupees of each. Now when you receive retirement, there is a different way you can receive your pension. You can buy an annuity, you can buy FD, you can buy mutual fund, you can buy stocks, right? But my idea is very simple. I generally don't believe in FDs, because FD gets taxable every year. Whether you use the money or not, most of your earning is taken away by the government. So keep your FD by minimum. My idea is basically to invest in long-term mutual funds from the time I start saving. So basically, I will create two portfolio, one my name, one my spouse name, and I will save when I'm working. And generally, I will invest in long-term mutual funds. Now, what happened over the period, maybe 5 year, 10 year down the line, when I'm planning to retire, I will ensure that every year, every month, I will sell some mutual funds to cover my expenses. For example, I can sell 1 lakh rupees of mutual fund from my account and 1 lakh of mutual fund from my wife account. Right now, understand, if I'm going to sell 1 lakh rupees of mutual fund, the whole amount is not going to be a profit. Only a part of that is going to be profit. Even assuming that 50% of part is principal and 50% part is capital gain, that is profit, I will get an income of 6 lakhs rupees in a year. So 6 lakhs rupees income on my name and 6 lakhs rupees income on my wife's name. That's basically I'm going to get. Now somebody will say, sir, is it practical to go and sell mutual fund every month? No, it is not required. Just like you do SIP in mutual fund, same way you can do SWP, which is called systematic withdrawal plan. And you can set a target like every month I will sell 1 lakh rupees of mutual fund, and accordingly every month automatically it will be sold and it will come to your bank account. Now, as I told you, even suppose my money has doubled, my capital gain will be 50% of the mutual fund sold. So if I'm selling, say, 1 lakh rupees mutual fund every month, so in a year I'm receiving 12 lakh rupees, but 6 lakhs rupees will be my principal amount and 6 lakh rupees will be my profit, which is a capital gain. Now, on individual basis, if I am receiving 6 lakh rupees of capital gain, so in new regime up to 7 lakh rupees, somehow there will not be any taxes if you are a senior, even if you are not a senior citizen. So up to 6 lakh. You can try this calculation. So if you are getting just suppose the capital gain 6 lakh rupees of capital gain every month, and you are filing your returns up to 6 lakhs rupees, generally up to 7 lakh rupees that will be tax free, not 6 lakhs, 7 lakh rupees. So 6 lakhs your capital gain, and 1 lakh I assume you have some other income, for example, some annuity, some FD return, some other rental and all, assuming that 1 lakh rupees of other income. So even you are getting a 7 lakh rupees of income, 6 lakhs capital gain and 1 lakh rupees other, you will end up paying zero tax on that. So that means all amount will be available for your use, right? Same way your wife will also file the return and she will also claim the same benefit. So this way, even you're getting 12 lakh rupees plus some other income also, and 12 lakh rupees on your wife name, net income for both of them zero. Now, why I made a video? Some video people may criticize me like you are working against country and all these things. Let's stop here. See, if somebody is retired, the country has a responsibility to work something for them, create some kind of pension. But in India, fortunately, unfortunately, nothing this shortage exists. So basically, I strongly believe the government should not tax if somebody is already a retirement age. That age, government has to support them. But generally, what happens if you are a taxpayer and you are not a farmer or any other group or some other group where the government is sponsoring you, then you are left to yourself. Now, if the government can't support whatever reason, they don't have any right at least to collect taxes from the people who are retiring, because in retirement age there are a lot of other expenses, medical expenses and everything they have to do. So at least they should not charge taxes. Now I know I'm not a finance minister, I cannot do this, but I am a chartered accountant. I can propose some kind of retirement planning, some kind of tax planning you can do, which is within the four wall of legality. There is nothing illegal in that. You can do this. You can put your retirement fortune either in FD or annuity and anywhere you like. There is no restriction on that. So my only approach is this: instead of buying fancy annuity or going for retirement plan and all which are taxable, you go with any big long-term mutual fund. You invest your money and you can really go on the retirement planning without this. Now, last question I will tell you, which where people will ask, sir, don't you feel it will be very risky? Now, what I believe, that investment in a good long-term big companies are less risky than investing in any good bank, because you know how the Indian bank work. It's possible the big bank can go down and take your money along. Of course, there is some insurance of 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, but it is not going to save your capital if the capital is say 5 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore. So better to put in a mutual fund which is unlikely going to bust than putting all your investment in some FDs or some annuity company which is more likely to go bust if something uncertain happens. So hope friends I answered most of your questions, most of your this thing. If you further you are planning to retire and you have any question from me, like if you are like want to retire like me at 40, you have some question you can ask me. Now again I will talk in some other video what is the retirement mean for me. For me retirement is end of corporate slavery, and definitely it's not end of working or enjoying the thing which I like. So I like making a good conceptual videos, and I hope you like this concept. And if you like this, subscribe and share to your friends who are looking for a you can say peaceful retirement, at least in India. That's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.